Water chemistry. Water, the gift of nature. Introduction. Water is nature's most abundant and useful compound. Occupies about 75% of the matter of Earth's crust. It is not only essential for living beings like plants and animals, but also occupies a unique position in industries. The most important use as an engineering material is the production of electricity. Water widely used in other fuels such as production of steel, rayon, atomic energy, textiles, chemicals, ice, and for air conditioning, drinking, sanitary, washing, irrigation, etc. Source of water. The main source of water are surface water and underground water. Surface water means rainwater, river water, lake water, and sea water. Underground water means well water and spring water. Hardness of water. Water which does not produce a ready and permanent lather with a soap solution is called hard water. Hardness is due to the presence of dissolved salt of calcium, magnesium, and some other heavy metals. That is, sodium stearate react with the calcium chloride. Calcium stearate is formed, which is insoluble. On the same way, the soap means sodium stearate, which is react with the magnesium sulfate. Magnesium stearate is formed, which is also insoluble. There are two types of hardness. First one, temporary hardness. Second one, permanent hardness. Temporary hardness. Temporary hardness is due to the presence of bicarbonate of calcium, magnesium, and heavy metals. It can be removed by simple boiling of the solution. Presence of calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate causes alkalinity to water, and it can be calculated by estimating the alkalinity. For example, calcium bicarbonate on boiling is converted to calcium carbonate plus carbon dioxide plus water. On the same way, magnesium bicarbonate by simple boiling is converted to magnesium hydroxide and carbon dioxide. Permanent hardness. Permanent hardness is caused by the presence of chlorides and sulfate of calcium, magnesium, iron, and other heavy metals. It is difficult to remove, and the important methods used for the removal of permanent hardness are lime soda process, zeolite process, and ion exchange process. There is a comparison between temporary hardness and permanent hardness of water. Temporary hardness. It is also known as carbonate hardness, and it is due to the presence of carbonate and bicarbonate of calcium, magnesium, and some other heavy metals like iron. It is very easy to remove. It is removed by simple boiling, and it causes alkalinity to water. In the case of permanent hardness, it is also known as non-carbonate hardness. It is due to the presence of sulfate and chloride of calcium, magnesium, and some other heavy metals like iron. It is very difficult to remove. It is removed by ion exchange process, and no alkalinity is produced. Characteristics of water. The important characteristics of water are suspended impurities, which means these impurities impart turbidity, color, and odor to water. It may be inorganic impurities like clay and sand, or organic impurities like oil, vegetable and animal matter. Second one, dissolved impurities. It is due to the presence of dissolved salts like carbonate, bicarbonate, chlorides and sulfate of calcium, magnesium, iron and sodium. Dissolved gas like oxygen, carbon dioxide also come under this category. Presence of these impurities gives hardness, color, turbidity, alkalinity to water. Then microorganisms. They include bacteria, fungi and algae. It causes health hazards and other problems. Units of hardness. The following are the common units used in hardness measurement. First one, parts per million, that is ppm. It is the number of parts of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present in 10 raised to 6 parts of water. Second one, milligram per liter. It is the number of milligrams of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present in 1 liter of water. Thank you.